Too much GH Ghana wahala jumedie ena munuaba ekwesi kapa ene so mede ebe sommo Ghana for enede asema aba betom apono so aye betwe ne sene abasa we de asemu amunim eye minister Dapaah Muamunim ni video ababebeto edwa no na Ghana for binum eche wo magenche ede afam we binum say wonye den wonsi elfom na abusuafo momayembonra nsem no minister national security minister Dapaah Mamunim say na watri mu na nse ya yi no say ni videos call baby ene wo fa social media baby a wo behu no say wana woni pa mienu miensa ahia ne ho asema na wo kasa mamunim ni video ababeto edwa say wone ababa wa chantel ebo enkomo video call na ya record no de na ba live na de Ghana for binu madwen ho monte ase kwan ne say ye den say Dapaah nko a ene wo no na ni me ba ye na tese abaya na ni mamba wo hu ni say eye plantain na e wo se wo bia o ye national security penyi die was enka wo hunu se we plantain na wo ye de wontimi ensi ano entini wo mu hunu se e wo se wonye de wo ensi emfri ni dibia na wo ye de wote so no so anya sapa dia enie enkoyie kwa we am a security expert Adams Bona de ne de na dwenche e ba ye se Dapaah obi a wo ye national security penny na wutimi hwe etimi ma wo video etimi ba abontin sei pa de na ye nimguase ni de ema oman Ghana na JHS ni aprantie krampo no no so wo hu se ye plan bibi de atia na wo behunu how much more so whole national security penny wo de went mi ehunu na che se wo krampo no adwuma na ye de ahya wonsa no wo hu ne se enya de se abrante wa na ye papa no wo betimi aye muntie ne nsema wo de atu edwa. It is very, very disturbing. It could have happened to anyone, but I believe that a certain position we ought to circumspect. The national security minister should have known better. As far as I am concerned, it is wrong. If a national security minister you were not able to detect that this was a plantain, then how much more are you able to know whether your country is at stake or not? Please, this year I know say he has to resign and must resign now. When bona idea or de eba Adam bona idea or de eba not just who say so a war you with me and shehan Emma will be etimi trick wo edu video eba bontin say dia ene na one mpona o man na wo bo ho ban no na che say ho e hefa so wutimi yes adi we pa dia ene na che say o man na wo bo ho ban ne krompo no wo mo enkwa eda asenya mu na enya wo no nkoa yenua brema bi abib saying enso so eba ye ede betu eja say we die implication na edebebo memu no bebre because Ghana form perceive say national security there was say utimi obi a woma wani da honom ukuta eagle eye was say hunu de beba echire o china krampo na was say hunu de ebesie na utimi etna honom emma o ye de fofo da na okwaye pan say dia ene na wono susu no atade Adams Bona kan ye ne say na che so o man na yetimu no ye nyina no ye nkwa edase nyemo because you are well trained into was who bibia said the ebesia ko ediafa na because of that no so no ebema criminals crampo no wo mon take wo mu serious ebiemu na edo how bebre so na ebebra omanimu into no dey o compromise say ye Dapaah wonye de wono so resign and free ye adwumedia ide ahye ne nsan because happen na ebe go far because they say the video no eba bonten enche ye no so said the dia kese no ohun se ebe ko eche ebe ma omo mo amono ne ne yi no be hu se Ghana for enye serious ewo ahobambo adwuma yekuo no efa no wo mo enye serious ewo honum enti dia ebetimi aboa ene se wono nye dem one step down na ensem ne esi ye no plus crampo babonten o si an wono ohun ne se MPP gurus na ewo no wo mo ene plan e saade no ema wo pe papa na nim guase no omo pe ekwan bia for so yi na firi honum na enti se do mba yi a ebeba ne se ne yengu na nim ase enti wo hu ne se MPP gurus no ene ye den e set Dapaah up ama enimguasie kese sei aye den ato eno na aye ni Asam George kwanso so e de babon tete aba betu eje se he wickedness se nipa da sani wa wo yonku nipa enam dibra wo wa na panini bia wanye di nti opese uyi na se akonya no se wo ya sa de we dia ene na eye de entwe eye kra ama yi lawyer Morris ampampo e de betu eja enso so e ka se we boni bia enim boni bia enim na emom nipa na what this said no release this video no onu mom na wo say emra no ene no edie because say Dapaah no wo ye na dwen say opese ade no eba outer anka enya de so befra abaya no kokoam ene na ye video call na chese abaya no so hu ne se abaya no ni hu bi because time wo ye na atade be na hye no pyjamas so hu se ye tentin se ye tietia ne wonder ne no hu ni nyina no hu ne se abaya no so oya suspect enti ono so oni nipa na wo send video ne ba out no nunu mom na wo se ye de yempa bibi emfa enye wo memrane no wo mu endi Nemon Dapaah die wono de no hu eso because wo hu ne say wo man aye wom no empanifo wo man obie ni wo beka so ni side check se wo bi ka so woni side check na ntro na wo twa na wo bobo ya kra bobo ya man panyin dada John Dramani Mohammed se wo no krampo no den a side check no eno amu na wo mo de den ode awo ama no hane enti wo no krampo no wo bi o pa o sa kire mu se enkomo a ekoso Dapaah ne abaya no wo nkomode mu no boni bia enim because ohun ni se ye man panyi krote akonya so his excellence na dranko akufo adom wo kwa pe ne yire na nya so ofiti prekopa no ko se me ba be ware wo ba bi no wa straight wo ga je se me be ware wa wo be den wo be fiwo den ya nsem da na wo be ka dia kire no ama wo no so aye den ama na adwen asesa enti onu do wo hu ne se boni bia enim conversation no boni bia nye den enim na o mo pese o mugu nanim ase no na akofa sa ade we enyina ede aba na abusuafo mo ma yenko tie Ghana fo binum so adwentre efa leak video ya abeto edwa yi yenia agbesi hero ede wode eba ye o say you know Dapaah has chronic diabetes and definitely he must be having low libido. For this reason, he may need a very young lady to spice her libido up. What about the wife? One may ask, well, we don't know the wife of Dapaah. So I don't know what they ever know. So when they say, Ebiana Brantium or chronic diabetes, into a bemanetmia, low libido, into onya, abaya or betimia Kenyana, a betimia abostin libido ne up into a hubonibia, a woman, Yenya Frank Edgar, what they ever was. And when we grow old, we go for young girls, except those who don't have what it takes. If he was on duty, why was he wearing pyjamas? Also, so ne dear no. Or say Ghana for more kasa say I was sanko what duty by that time. Now one or bane kasano. Or say anka or duty that time na den and now go she pyjamas. There be a trap, meaning a trap ne a bia no. Or no so a dear no. Abna dear what they ever was saying. Care to accept the constitution or tell all the foreign countries, including the white men, that Ghanaians are not serious or not so agent or they ever no. Achim fear idea or they ever say our chief national security boss is lucky the lady did not ask him to remove his prick for her to see the way our man Dapaah was under the spell of the lady. I'm sure Dapaah would have done it to satisfy her. And none there what they ever saying. If the national security captain couldn't detect that he was being trapped, how could he be detected if Boko Haram is in this country? we are not safe. Are we safe, Ghanaians? All that we know is to imitate opposition members on also so there what they ever yeah and on say hey na captain pan national security captain pan and I went to me and detective say ya trap no na Ghana enti ye krapo no ye okay there enti Boko Haram for ebe piem wa Ghana ha wo betimi ehunu say wo mo aba be piem wa ha na just wo hu ne say Ghana so ye nye save krade ni mu ane say and obi wo position a ya tuma no na de petwa and ye ya de e wo hu ke e de wo de e ba ye o say he allowed the MPP the NDC people to go away with stolen state vehicle as Kofi Adams and John Dumelo, a responsible man, should hold himself high under the great testimony. This a sensible JHS school boy would even be able to notice it is a trap and also agent trap what they ever here and on was say hey papa eja NDC for Emma woman ko free one more take Ghana for sika heading deals hunu waja woman ko free now way wo crampo went to me and who say a trapo JHS boy crampo ya drop out so crampo no numpo say a trapper and one will be who say wing say ya buy yi me ne kasa me on numpo nani mun show na me nkwa menim na show no waka che minye se yi was senka wo hunu se ade no e trap ye pe no aye den atuna de so na kwa bi no wa ye befa so e de aye na se yes omugu na nimu ase ento no de wo mu ne se ade we de eye MPP for na bi e na atrap na wo no so aye den akwa akotomu Ghana for bi no bebre so e kasa e de e fa ho ese kanda papa wa ye childish chin because enkura krampo no wo mo ani eda ho e was anyoma we na wo pa panimu to be called a national security minister pa na wantimi ehun sade we dia ene na chose wo mo edi wo ho ya enti we ne ensema aba beto edwa enam we ni nti no Ghana for bebre say ene edi se wo resigning edi efri ni position no eso abusuya for so adwentre ene sen obetumi edi aba too much GH subscribe share from abusuya for all the social media platforms for adwentre so brand na muni aba ekwesi kapa that's the name jimedwa making kind ede amamo makramo.